looks good. Yeah, I think this looks much better. Alright. So, hi guys. Yes, hello everyone.
We'll be logging in now.
Yes, so today we are here to talk about I think हम लोग है ना? This is much better.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So today we are here to talk with one of our really very close and असं बोलतात ना मनापासून खूप अशी जवळ आणि very lovable and very special student of ours.
Yeah.
And we're going to go live with her to talk about her journey with us and how about her transformations and lot of things. खूप गप्पा मारणार आहोत आम्ही आज तिच्यासोबत. So yes, let's get her in. So we will go. मी नाव नाही सांगणार आहे. I want to keep it as a surprise.
Everybody knows who is coming in my life.
Of course. But then still, yeah. So let's call her up if she can send us.
She just told me she's gonna come live. She's gonna send a request.
Okay.
There she is.
I'm so sorry guys, I'm just little new to all these things, just trying to understand. Yeah. And I don't know. It got down.
Rita will send a request.
So just waiting for her to get in, so that once she's here we can start with our chat and do a lot of chats with her. So yes, there we go. Yeah, she's just trying to connect. And there she is.
Oh God, you're wearing black. Cool.
Yes.
You are very
Absolutely, absolutely not decided. How cool.
This is so nice. आमचं सगळे color coordinate झालं. आमचंही decided नव्हतं. It just झालं तेव्हा.
Telepathy.
So how are you, Ruta?
I am good. I am bored now. Oh God, I want to work. How are
Another
you?
month, I suppose.
It's super.
What?
Another month, I suppose. May is gonna go.
Let's see. Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm missing
So
Ward.
this is so difficult यार आपल्याला अशी सवय नाही आहे असं बोलणं.
I know.
It's so
I actually I'm not that stressed when it comes to live interviews, but when I mean you told me that you will be taking, I'm very stressed. Actually, I think it's visible on my face also now. Oh God.
Rita will tell us why she's stressed later. So before why I decided to interview or ask this, every time in lockdown when we went live with someone, whether it was on Instagram or telephonic interviews, everybody had asked us who is our favorite student, celebrity student, and
Yeah.
so every interview we've taken your name. We have a lined up interview tomorrow and day after as well. Every interview we've taken your name because
Yeah,
the
I
question.
keep watching you. I know.
So हा एक प्रश्न नेहमीच असायचा की तुमची फेवरेट स्टुडंट कोण आहे आणि असं असं कुठचं स्टुडंट आहे जे तुमचं सगळं ऐकतं. सो अगदीच न विचारता पटकन डोक्यात रुता यायची. So yes, so we decided let's have
hear
a
it.
chat with her today.
Yes, and let's hear it like everybody hear it from Rita. When they asked me, I guess now they should know from me. That was the reason of whole asking you to interview and all that.
So it's not an interview. We are just having a chat, so it's fine.
Yes.
So, yes, we would like to know and like to talk about your journey and your transformations. And yes, there are like, how we met, and so there are a lot of things. Starting with, I think we should start with how we all met.
Yeah,
Like,
actually, I don't know if we have spoken about this or no, but Saili, she comes to your class, right, for yoga. So ती मला बऱ्याचदा सांगत होती that की तू बघ रीमाकडे ये आणि स्टफ, बट आय नेव्हर गॉट टाइम बिकॉज नाटकही सुरू होतं आणि सिरियलचं शूटही सुरू होतं. सो वेन माझं कास्टिंग झालं अनन्यासाठी, तेव्हा पहिला प्रश्न माझा प्रताप सरांना होता की सर लवकरात लवकर ट्रेनिंग सुरू करा, नाही तर माझं काही खरं नाही, मला काही येणार नाहीये, माझा पाय पोचणारच नाहीये वगैरे असं. सो वी वर जस्ट ट्राईंग टू फाइंड आउट की कोण असेल बेस्ट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज वी हॅड टू टास्क राईट, ॲज यू नो, हॅड टू लूज वेट ऑल्सो आणि प्लस हॅड टू बी फ्लेक्झिबल ऑल्सो. सो
correct.
कोण असं जे बोथ कॅन बी डन स्टफ. देन आय ऑब्विसली मला सायली, देन आय टुक युअर नंबर फ्रॉम सायली ऍक्च्युली. आणि मग मी प्रताप सरांना सांगितलं की सर दिस इज द नंबर अँड आय शेअर्ड युअर इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाईल ऑल्सो विथ हिम, बिकॉज द फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी यू हॅव, त्याच्याने मला कळलं की ह्याच्या अर्ध तरी मी पोचलं तरी मी रोल करू शकेन. सो आणि आय हॅड नो पेशन्स. आय वॉज लाईक की आय कांट इवन वेस्ट अ सिंगल डे, बिकॉज आय सी वी आपल्या पर्सनली माहित असतं आपलं वीकनेस काय आहे, because we know
Right.
that this was the what is it, my physics, I had never worked on it, so I knew ki how rigid I am. So it's going to be very difficult. आणि बरं आधीचं शूटिंग 15 डिसेंबरला होणार होतं. सो आय वॉज
I
ऑल द मोर
know.
गॉन की एक महिन्यात पाय इथे कसा येणार वगैरे. ओ गॉड काय. सो मीच प्रताप सर, सर मी करू का फोन, मी ते म्हणाले थांब थांब, राहुल विल कॉल हर, देन यू कॉल. आय थिंक द मोमेंट ही स्पोक टू यू, I spoke to you on the phone, right? Ki
Yes,
when
yes.
can we start, and you were
I
not
think
here.
first call, yeah. I think the moment I spoke to Pratap sir, त्यानंतर तुझा call आलेला. I wasn't here. I wasn't in town.
Yeah,
But
and that I had asked you ki जमेल ना मला. I remember, oh God, ki जमेल ना मला. Oh God, lot of self doubt that time, lot of self doubt. But you guys know better, कारण तुम्हाला तर माहिती आहे how I had come and then how you guys worked on me. So I'm so thankful, yeah. And and actually it was because of you that I met Brian sir. So
yeah.
it was,
So
I think,
that
that
moment when you started training, तेव्हा मी इथे नव्हती. And I knew that म्हणजे मी एक महिनाभर इथे नसणार आहे. And
yeah.
I knew की तो टाइम मी वेस्ट करू शकत नाही. ऑलरेडी आपल्याकडे कमी टाइम होता, त्यात अजून we cannot afford to waste a single minute. So yes, after having a chat with Brian, we decided की तुझी ट्रेनिंग सुरू करून टाकायची आपण.
No, first I got a call and she said, you have to train Ruta. Okay, I said, okay. And I asked her, what is the need? She said, leg has to reach to the head. And the first thing I said is, no, I'm not going to train. Because
Oh God.
making a person lose weight and getting flexible, two things in
Two
just
different
60
things.
days.
Yeah.
So I had said no, but like she said, Naini, we have to do this. I said, okay, let's meet. And the first day that we met, right? The class.
I think
Oh God,
yeah.
I
Even
can't
I
forget that day.
I had told
I
Ruta की तू म्हणजे 2 आसनांमध्ये फोटो पाठव. I just want to check. Like it was like a flexibility check.
Check.
बघूया तर कितपत
Body
आहे
response
करून.
to
How
power.
much we have to work on it. आणि ते फोटो बघून माझं सगळ्यात पहिलं सेंटेन्स ब्रायनला हे होतं, बाबा हे इम्पॉसिबल आहे, आपल्याला थोडं हे पॉसिबल करायचंय 2 महिन्यात आणि ते पण.
I think we had a really limited time, so that's why it was more scary,
The challenge was
I
there.
Yeah, the
guess.
challenge is only the time. If we would have time, then मग yes, definitely आपण थोडं आरामात केलं. But
And
then
then
yeah.
two different types of training in a day was also a big task. Like, oh God, I remember like after doing functional training in the morning, शाम को stretching. Oh God, can't imagine.
I'm coming there. I didn't wanted you to get mellowed down before I questioned. Okay, so how now this is very direct. When you started your training, right? So we knew that we just have 60 days.
Yeah.
Okay. in that there were two things that you had to do and you had never trained. So I want you to
Yeah.
put it in your words. What was the experience of, first of all, as a person who's never worked out, okay, coming for training 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, and just taking a smaller interval of just a break kind of a thing.
Yeah.
I remember I used to send you home by 12 o'clock and then you had to be back by 6. So in that you had to eat, sleep, get up, again come back. So it is physically also it is very taxing. Okay. So I want you to, how did you experience
Yeah. So
what you
basically
learned?
तो 2 महिन्याचा एक तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन एक्सपिरियन्स तुझा कसा होता? So
So
yes.
actually, I would say that I was so very much concerned about the results. No, I had clear in my mind that I was very much clear that की मला हे अचीव्ह करायचंय. ऑब्व्हियसली पण हे डिसाईड करणं खूप सोपं आहे आणि त्या प्रोसेसमध्ये गेल्यावर देन यू रिअलाइज की एक मिनिट म्हणजे मला बऱ्याचदा असं झालं की ओ गॉड मला हे जमणार आहे ना बिकॉज एकतर व्हेरी फ्रँकली प्रोफेशनली दिस इज द रोल विच आय थिंक एनी ऍक्टर एनी ऍक्ट्रेस वुड वॉन्ट टू डू इट प्लस माय डेब्यू सो आणि आय डोंट नो आय ऑलवेज टेक प्रोजेक्ट्स विच स्केअर मी बिकॉज आय थिंक दॅट हेल्प्स मी ग्रो सो मला हे फिजिकली चॅलेंजिंग काहीतरी हवंच होतं कारण आय थिंक समटाइम्स यू नीड दॅट यु नो ते असं म्हणतात ना की आईने मारलं नाही तर कळत नाहीत काही गोष्टी यू नीड टू बी दॅट डिसिप्लिन अँड स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट फ्यू थिंग्स सो आय थिंक फिजिकली ते इन्कल्केट करायला माझ्यात आय नीडेड सच काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट कारण आता मला वर्कआउटची इतकी सवय लागली आहे की इवन इफ आय डोंट डू स्किपिंग ऑल्सो डे मला असं गिल्ट येतं म्हणजे दॅट डे आय स्लेप्ट अँड आय अगेन गॉट अप आय डिड स्किपिंग अँड आय स्लेप्ट लाईक गॉड सो हे मी कधीच ठरवून करू शकत नव्हते कदाचित बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आय एम मे बी आय हॅव नेव्हर ट्रेन दॅट्स वाय सो वन ऑफ द रिझन वॉज दॅट की आय हॅड टू अचीव वॉट अनन्या what do you say expected from me karan not just mental preparation for the role but physical preparation was much more higher than the mental preparation so मला असं सतत वाटत होतं आणि की मी फिजिकली अचीव करू शकले ना अनन्याला तर माझं अर्ध काम होईल you know then I can work on the script I know I have done that so but the experience I would say I've cried a lot oh god I've cried a lot many a times I've called my mom dad and I've told them that oh god I don't think I'm going to do it I don't know what to do त्यांना हे पण डायजेस्ट होत नव्हतं की मी मसाला खात नाहीये मी काहीच खात नाहीये oh god and the day Brian sir gave me that cake I called my father and I was like, "Can you cake khalla? Can you tell? I can't tell you how I'm feeling right now. मी आता केक खाल्ला एक 24 दिवसांनी वगैरे." And my father was like, "हा म्हणजे he's like, okay, हा हा he was not able to react also की हा okay ठीक आहे म्हणजे he was like अच्छा एवढं पण खायला नाही मिळत आहे का so it was so not me बट आय थिंक इट हॅज चेंज्ड मी ऍज अ पर्सन आणि मी ज्या गोष्टी ग्रँटेड धरत होते जे मला असं सतत वाटायचं की मी काय आयुष्यभर बारीकच राहणार आहे वगैरे कारण आपल्याला एक अंगगाठी असते त्यामुळे मला असं होतं की या बाबतीत मी चिल आहे पण आय थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आय हॅव आय हॅव लर्न नॉट टू टेक एनिथिंग फॉर ग्रँटेड आणि ट्रेनिंग इट हॅज मेड मी मोर डिसिप्लिन and then I would say it made me more stronger because every time I used to cry, this person he always used to train me very hard. He used to stretch my legs. He doesn't understand only. First, no, first day you got my leg here. Who gets it here on the first day? When I'm telling you, I can't do it.
We still
Oh
have the
God.
picture. We had to send it to Rahul and we had to do the picture. And first day.
But on the 14th day, we could do the activities and we were just not able to sit on balance करता येत नव्हतं. But I think on 14th-15th day we got it. So आणि I think that startingचे काही दिवस ना खूप पेनफुल जातात because obviously we are not used to it. But once you feel the change, no, की अरे हो यार मला हे जमतंय अच्छा मला yeah, then you feel okay, I've got it now. Then otherwise I was fine. Then otherwise I used to tell him, "Arey, don't do this." First I used to cry, then I used to trouble him a lot. अरे समझता नहीं है क्या दुख रहा है and all. I used to say that to him. Oh God, I've troubled him a lot.
The behind story of this one says ki whenever she used to come to ward, जेव्हा येत ward ला whether it is a morning training की evening training, दोनापैकी काही असतं. आय थिंक ती खूप मेंटली प्रिपेअर होणंच यायची की आज माझं काही ना काहीतरी दुखणारच आहे आणि हे दोघं काय माझं काय ऐकणार नाहीये अजिबात.
And
So,
usually when you cry, when a girl cries, it works, no? Doesn't work in front of him. Oh God.
so because that was decided between us to be ruthless with
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. But
Yes,
I still remember the messages you used to send, you know, the motivational message. You were not here, but still you were present in every process. And the messages you used to send me that the good body requires a lot of consistency. I know it's painful. So, you know, there are या प्रोसेसमध्ये मी खूप कमी लोकांशी बोलू शकत होते कारण unless you go through that process, nobody knows it, right? And it's my work. I don't want to crib about it. I was enjoying it, but I think in a very different way, which is quite okay, I think. So that's fine.
there were certain rules for Ruta in the gym.
Oh, yeah.
Ruta was not allowed to talk
To
to
talk to
anyone.
anyone.
So whenever she used to come, she used to first interaction with me, and whatever has to be said, she used to take her shoes and go in the corner. वहीं पे जो भी warm ups or mobility drill है, and throughout her exercise, she was not supposed to talk to anybody, gel around with anybody, and all by herself. जब stretching होता था, I still remember drills आते थे, वो बोलते थे, sir please छोड़ दो ना मुझसे.
Yeah.
Please. And I had to literally tell the other students, please go and do your workout. And this girl is crying, okay? This girl is crying. And then finally I felt like I used to call Neelu ma'am, "Arey Neelu ma'am, I need your support." Apparently, Neelu ma'am is asking me, कि सर जाने देते ना, छोड़ देते हैं. And I'm like, what is wrong
Everybody
with
loved
you?
me.
Yeah. So,
डेफिनेटली ऍक्च्युली खूप लोकांना ना क्लास जिम मध्ये जेव्हा स्पेशली स्ट्रेचिंग वर्कआउट चालायचा तेव्हा लॉट ऑफ पीपल त्यांना दया यायची टीचर आणि आय थिंक आम्ही दोघं असे दोन राक्षस सारखे टीचर असं दिस इज वॉट अदर स्टुडंट युज फील इन द जिम बिकॉज तिच्या प्रेझेन्स किंवा ऍब्सेन्स मध्ये असूनही ती लाईक अदर स्टुडंट टू कम आणि आम्हाला येऊन बोलायचे की तुम्ही तिला काय इतका त्रास देताय ती खूप ओरडते ती रडते हो तिला सोडा ना काय तुम्ही करताय आणि आता या लोकांना काय समजायचं.
Yeah, but we had a target to achieve. So,
Yeah.
so we
yeah.
had 60 days. And how many days did we achieve?
Oh God,
45.
we achieved like, yeah. Yeah, we
45.
were, when everyone came to visit us, they were like, we can shoot as it is. So, yeah, it was fun. And I had one more rule. I had to work out in sweatshirts only. I have to cover
Yes.
everything.
So there are videos of Rita wearing the hood, wearing like full sleeve sweatshirt पहना हुआ है, Rita pants off है, and Rita is wet, like she's sweating. Tell me, can I remove? She's asking, I said, nothing, like run.
Oh God. But it was fun, yeah. It was very fun. Now I miss that. I think very few people can get so much time. Like I was working out like 3-4 hours a day, which is
Almost
like,
2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening.
yeah, I mean, and for 2 months, my schedule was like I used to get up, I used to come to the gym, I used to go home, I used to sleep, again come to the gym. So I think nobody gets to do so much for a character, which I have been very lucky, and it's thanks to the team also, actually, that
Yeah.
they were ready to take so much efforts on me. So yeah, I think. And yeah, now doing other projects is going to trouble me because I'll think now I need 2-3 months to work on myself for every character. Oh God, it has spoiled me actually. But it's all worth it.
जर्नी फ्रॉम वृत्ता टू अनन्या वॉज आय फेल्ट आजही मी जशी फ्लॅशबॅक मध्ये जाते ना तर लाईक यु नो आय पर्सनली तुम्हाला विचारलं मला असं गोल ओरिएंटेड काम करायला खूप मजा येते लाईक यु नो दॅट टाइम वी हॅड अ गोल की आपल्याला 1 जानेवारी पर्यंत वी हॅव टू शो द
Yeah,
रिझल्ट
yeah.
सो आय समहाव एन्जॉय वर्किंग लाईक दॅट तर मला
No, and I always feel that when we have a goal set in front of us, I think we push ourselves a little more.
येस येस
आणि आय थिंक आपल्यालाही आपलं कॅलिबर कळतं बिकॉज आय नेव्हर थॉट दॅट आय कुड डू सो मच
या
अँड आय वॉज अमेज्ड की ओ शिट मी आय एम दॅट स्ट्रॉंग आय यूज टू क्राय बट आय थिंक दॅट ऑल्सो लेटर I overcame and I think I was quite okay with the fact that I can work out and I can work and even I realized a lot of things about myself that I'm much stronger than I look which is only because of this guy. because and I really love the quotes which are written in the word. Um, so there's this one thing which I always used to do whenever I used to feel that, oh God, I am dead, I'm not even going to do it. I always used to look up and always used to imagine that 70 mm, this is how I'm going to look, so I have to work towards it. So I think when you have a goal, I think you
Yeah.
work much more harder and you have clarity of thoughts, right? So I think
Correct.
the result is quite.
Yeah.
I can't wait for you guys to watch the film actually. So yeah.
We
We
are
are
waiting. Actually, we were supposed to do, but then yes, we have to
Yeah.
wait a little
Lockdown.
longer. But then yes, it's okay.
But I'm sure
It's
whoever
something
is
good.
gonna
That's why it's making us wait.
Yeah, yeah.
because the other side of you as Ananya is I would speak very less about it, but it is very fabulous, whatever I've seen. So, when people will see what you've done and your transition in the movie also has been seen. So, I feel a lot of people would like it. It will really touch them. So, I still remember when we came to Pune to meet you.
Yeah, on the
And
sets, we went to meet
so just
Smita on
seeing
her
you,
set.
I was a little like because you were in that character and all, but so I'm always used to seeing you like this in the class in the gym,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden seeing you there like that. So I was a little far from you, like "Ye kya hai?" So obviously, what people would see, and it's I know you as a very good student, as a very good, but that day I came to know you as a very good actor. So you will feel when people will see it, people will feel it. That's what I feel. So Ananya is the thing. Well, everything will be
Let's
shown on screen.
see.
It is.
Now the
It
wait is
is.
going to be too long. Oh God.
Okay.
But I think
Better,
it's
na?
all worth it. I think the main thing this project has taught me is patience, which I was never. So I think in all sense, during training I had to be patient. During shooting I had to be patient. Now release also I have to be patient. I
So
think
there
one
was this
project taught
thing.
me everything. Oh God.
There was this thing ki Ruta till 2 weeks pain was there and Ruta was crying. So I used to every day after class ask Ruta one religious question. Wanna quit? So quit now. Don't waste your time, my time. And Ruta used to say no. After 2 weeks, she's asking me, "You want to quit?" I said no. I don't want to quit.
Oh
So I
God.
have seen
Very few people
Ruta
know
for
I'm very
long
difficult to
time.
handle. So yeah.
Huh?
Very few
What?
people know I'm very difficult to handle.
Absolutely.
Yes. So moving ahead, yes, we would also like to know, like, आम्हाला तर माहितीच आहे पण तरी आय एम शुअर तुझ्या व्ह्युअर्सना ऐकायला खूप आवडेल की तू त्या टाइम ड्युरेशन मध्ये लाईक इन दॅट जर्नी फ्रॉम अनन्या फ्रॉम वृता टू अनन्या तू काय खायचीस व्हॉट वॉज युअर डाएट अँड व्हॉट वर द चेंजेस व्हॉट वी मेड इन युअर डाएट
And she's gonna
फूड
point a finger at me and say no.
No, so मी आयुष्यात कधी वेईंग स्केलवर जेवण मोजून कधीच खाल्लं नव्हतं. म्हणजे मी कधीच इतकं फॉलो केलं नव्हतं. I still remember it was like in the morning I had 100-gram oats and 2 eggs and then workout. Then I used to have this protein shake and then going home I used to have 100 grams of salad, 50 or 25 grams of rice and chicken. What is this 50 grams of rice? How? I mean, what?
तशी दोन
बाळे
घास
जास्त खात. Yeah, एवढंच. And then 4 o'clock was very interesting. 4 o'clock was one black coffee and 4 almonds. How? 4 बदाम फक्त खायचे. कसं म्हणजे? काय? I like, oh God, it was very difficult. Yeah. More than following the diet, it is very difficult to, control the temptations. It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
difficult. The cravings. And I still remember, oh God, so I was staying with my roommates, Ani Amruta. So she knows whenever. So now he always says, no, that once you eat food at 8:30, you sleep at 10 o'clock. The whole body is paining. There's stress of another day. How am I supposed to sleep at 10 o'clock? Oh God. And then I used to be awake, no, 12:30. And he used to come to know next day. I still remember when I had started crying in Beach Mein and I was doing that tired thing and I fell off. You remember
Hmm.
that day? And I had not slept that night. I was awake till 3, 4. He came to know. He's like, you're not. And he told me that you go out of the class. Oh God. एक तो oh, I still remember he told me that you go out of the class, and I was like, oh God. That time I realized that I can't lose my focus and I have to. And sometimes you feel so weak, no, because I don't know, this whole kind of environment, you have to get used to it. You have never done it. So this controlling food and then this diet was a difficult thing. Like 100 grams of salad khana hai, 100 grams of chicken khana hai, matlab kuch zyada. And then after you came, even chicken was cancelled. Oh God. And I
I
was
had to transition now. So
I
I
was
had to
telling,
consume that.
I know, yeah. And then I remember one day we were doing this, so we had this everyday ward, no? So I completed the word and I was literally on his like feet and I was telling him, please, मेरे को घर का खाना खाना है, please, मेरे को मम्मी के हाथ का, सब्जी खाना है, please, एक बार ही. And then he's telling me, ठीक है, खाओ पर आधा ही खाओ. Who does that? आधा ही खाओ? Oh God, I'm like, don't give them. But then I remember I went all the way to Dadar. I had mummy ka khana. Oh God. I've realized a
She
lot of things.
I still remember I had put Ruta out of the class because she had not slept and she skipped the tire. Okay. So I told her, I'm not bringing you. And she came to know that I got very upset. I thought this girl will go home. Stubborn girl is sitting at the reception. Whole 40 minutes she's sitting there. I said, I'm not going to train you today. You go home, you rest. She has waited there till the time she thought, abhi lega, abhi lega. I also didn't take, she also didn't leave. Finally, then I had to tell her. And non-stop she was there.
So we had to I remember, no. So we can't even waste we can't even waste a single day. You
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
whenever I used to tell you that I want rest, I'm tired. You
Yeah.
used to change the exercises, but we never took an off
We never.
because we had a target, and every day we had to answer. I still remember, oh God, Pratap sir, Amol Dada, Shraddha, they used to message every day, what is the progress? And I'm not so used to being so much watched upon. So that was also a very difficult part. I think mentally also it was very much, actually, it was very exhausting. It was very exhausting. आय मीन एवढे माझे आई बाबा पण लक्ष देत नाहीत माझ्यावर. तर मला असं होतं की आय एम आय हेट बिंग आन्सरेबल. ओ गॉड, आय हेट इट. आय एम नॉट ऑफ द काइंड हू कॅन बी आन्सरेबल अँड आय हॅड टू आन्सर एव्हरी. So I think it changed me as a person also. Oh God, yeah. Difficult.
It's okay, but it's worth it.
Yeah, yeah. Once I think, I hope you like my work and I really want you to watch it.
We are very sure.
Yes.
This is not good. We've seen it take place. And it is seen on the screen. Okay. What do you want to
Yes.
ask?
So we have certain set of questions आणि हे सगळे randomly काढलेले questions आहेत ना. So
Okay.
One
please
question is a very tricky one. I'm going to ask it again.
Oh God, I know
Ruta is
what is that question.
every time
I
she
know that.
ran away from that question.
अच्छा. Okay. So also we would like to know तुझे learnings काय होते या journey मधनं. Like
Learning.
what you learned from this transformation आणि like see we always say this to all our students. Fitness teaches you a lot of things as to be a better person mentally, physically. It's not only about the physical transformation. Fitness is also about your mentally.
Mental.
It also
Yeah.
transforms. So yes, but also would like to know you की तू काय शिकलीस त्या पूर्ण जर्नी.
मला लाईक आय सेड, मला हे खूप जाणवलं की आय एम मच मोर स्ट्रॉंगर देन आय फील आय एम. बिकॉज एव्हरी टाइम मला हे जेव्हा हे थॉट्स यायचे की ओ शिट, मला हे नाही जमणार आहे. द पेन वॉज अनबेअरेबल समटाइम्स. आणि मला असं होतं की हे मी नाही करणार आहे, आता हे माझ्याने नाही होणार आहे. बट वेन यूज टू रिअलाइज की तुम्ही 2-3 दिवसानंतर ते जमायचं. सो दॅट gave me the feeling that once you decide to do few things, like when you decide your goal, and you have to try towards it. Maybe प्रत्येक इंडिव्हिज्युअलला लागणारा वेळ वेगळा आहे. मे बी मला या ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन साठी 2 महिने लागले, मे बी कोणाला 3 महिने लागतील, कोण महिन्याभरात कळेल, कोणाची फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी जास्त. तेव्हा मला एक गोष्ट अजून कळली की नॉट टू कम्पेअर. जे आपण सतत बऱ्याचदा, मला असं वाटतं आपण बऱ्याचदा करतो की अरे हिची फिगर किती छान आहे, अरे हिचं किती कमाल फिटनेस आहे, हिचं. वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट, बट वी जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कम्पेअर थिंग्स. सो आय थिंक, आणि देन I also realized that every body type is different. I always I me. It is, you just can't do that. We have to work towards it. It's a process. And so like I said, it made me more patient. It made me more strong. And, it made me realize that we just can't keep saying that I want to have a good figure, I want to be fit. You have to work towards it. So yeah.
Definitely. It doesn't come easy way. No good body has come easy way. So if you want to
Yeah.
achieve something, you have to work for it. I mean, yes, there's a lot of hard work. म्हणजे खूप पेन आणि खूप सगळंच असतं. We have gone through all these things. मी अशी नव्हती. So yes, but it's all what you want. Then you start working towards it.
Yeah.
That's the
And
way.
what I felt, one more thing I felt was की आपलं जेव्हा ट्रेनिंग संपलं, म्हणजे I had to go and shoot. So that maintaining thing is more difficult. To have
Yeah.
that consistency, म्हणजे सवय लागली, पण म्हणजे पुढच्या 15 दिवस मी शूट केलं. त्यामुळे मी तसं जेवढं 2 तास वर्कआउट करत होते तसं नाही करू शकले. बिकॉज सेटवर आय वॉज शूटिंग फॉर 14 hours a day, 12 hours a day. सो तो
Yeah.
एक वेगळं प्रेशर. सो आय थिंक ते अजून जास्त डिफिकल्ट आहे. म्हणजे वन्स यू अचीव्ह युअर टार्गेट, then you have to again start working towards it to maintain it. आणि त्याला
Yes.
अजून जास्त पेशन्स लागतात. बिकॉज इन दॅट प्रोसेस यू आर व्हेरी एक्झॉस्टेड अँड नाव यू आर लाईक की अच्छा म्हणजे हे असं नाही राहणार आहे, मला आता अजून कष्ट घ्यायचे. सो आय थिंक इट्स अ लाईफ लॉंग कमिटमेंट, आय फील.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, that's why there's a saying, there's nothing called perfect body. Okay, you are
Yeah.
always, every day you get up and have your meals, you get up and you try taking efforts, one, to achieve whatever is your goal, and even after achieving, to maintain what you have achieved. So
Yeah.
there is
And
never
the
a perfect body.
body surprises you like every day.
Every day.
Sometimes you look bloated, sometimes you're like, hey, and मैं इतनी मोटी क्यों oh god, it is very stressful. So yeah, but I think
Like, you feel me barabar jhavte, like, my meals are proper, my workout is proper, then why it is not showing up in
End
your body?
of the training, because shoot was nearby and Ruta could not sleep in the night. Okay, and
Anxiety.
she had achieved a very good body flexibility. And all of a sudden, at the end,
it's okay.
I remember Ruta saying, "Yeah, all of us bloating हो गया था." Did you remember, Ruta? At the end of December, and you were off to go to
Yeah.
shoot, and she had achieved. Na? We
Yeah.
have clicked videos, we've made everything, and all of a sudden she was bloated for 2 days,
Yeah.
and that was because she didn't sleep properly, anxiety issues.
But then it's okay.
No, I remember this also. After doing like 1 week of training, there were no changes in the weight thing. You remember that? Oh God.
Yes.
And he was so upset. He was so upset. I mean, काटा जराही हल्ला नव्हता. आणि मलाही असं झालं की यार, we are working out 4 hours a day. Like, we are doing everything. Then he asked me also कि there's something which I'm telling you and you're not doing it.
Yeah.
And this is very disturbing and very hurting, that when you know that okay, I know I'm very honest with my work, I'm very committed with my work. And see, there was this thing where there was only 1 week of time which like 4 hours a day we were spending with each other, so we didn't even know each other personally.
Yes.
So he was just treating me as a student, right? That's what he has
Yeah.
always done, and which I'm very, very happy about it. But this feeling that, oh God, your trainer is not trusting you, or what is happening, that was also a very huge phase, I think. But that's what happened. He was very upset in the morning when we checked the weight and everything. And then around 12:30, he told me, I'll see you at 6. We'll see what can be done. And then I was very upset. I felt really bad. Ki even after doing everything, following each and not even 1 more gram I have had more, still my body is not saying now what to do. And then he messaged me, like, once I was home, he messaged me that it's okay, we'll work towards it. And I know we didn't achieve what we wanted to as a week target, but I'm sure we are going to. And I felt so good. I was like, I think that kind of motivation and that kind of relationship between your trainer, I think it's very important. And what best thing I liked about you guys was it was just not my goal. It was your goal too. And it was never, you guys never treated me like ki ha tu era tu dekha, acha you don't want to come today, okay, you decide. You never said that. I think I had missed 2 or 3 classes.
Yeah.
That time also he used to message me, where are you, why you didn't come? And I think that kind of and this kind of motivation, or this kind of, what do you say, involvement is very important, then that's when you realize the importance, I think. So I was very lucky that you guys trained me. I'm seriously, and I don't think I'll be able to train with anyone else now. Oh God, no. Because there's a whole lot different. He always used to tell me some weight you have to lose it's emotionally and not physically. He always says that to me, that you stress so much about things, you have to lose that weight. And I actually
Yes,
remember, because after that the results started showing when we, I think when we started enjoying the process and not stressing about it. So
Yes.
I think
exactly.
Yes.
it is fun. I want those 2 months back, even if it pains. Oh God.
Ah, Neelu also
Yeah.
does this.
I'm sure
Oh
she will tell
yeah.
you.
She
She does
she she messages. She tells me now also, why don't you come? I don't get up only now. Oh God, my quarantine routine has changed.
it. You should say that
Oh
to her.
God. But I think
Okay.
what should start soon and I should come back. Yeah.
We
Yes.
will be starting soon.
We will be
Yeah.
starting. The lockdown is over.
Yes, and what was your tricky question before you definitely
Oh
answer
God.
her? That will be our last question, I believe.
Okay. Rita, who's your favorite trainer?
I knew it. I knew
Rita,
it.
what?
I'm not answering that. No. Both are my
I
favorite.
have
No.
known people interview me and then they say this who's the favorite student. Okay. And every student of mine knows there's never anything called favorite student. Who listens to you, doesn't who's mischievous, okay, but not a favorite. So I want to ask, who's your favorite trainer? Watch it. Before this, I'll tell you this. There is a small story. Remember, I was training her. She's lost weight. She's got flexible. Everything has happened. Okay, and one fine day, you had come back from Mysore, and you were training her. So I handed over the stretching part to you, and I was only dealing with the
Ah,
weight loss part. And stretching हो रहा था, and all of a sudden I walk to Ruta and say, कि Ruta, you're stretching, bend more down, stretch more. And apparently I started pulling her. ठीक है, ऐसा थोड़ा सा खींच रहा था कि आप stretch कर लो थोड़ा सा. अचानक से रुता stops and said, but मेरा ट्रेनर ने बोला है कि इतना ही करने का है. And I looked at her. What? Come back again? She didn't repeat that line because she understood what she said. Ruta, who is your favorite trainer?
No, no, this can't be a question.
Who to meet me after lockdown?
No, both of you guys are my favorite. But
Diplomatic answer.
you are very
What?
bad.
What?
Very bad. She's very sweet.
Oh,
That's true. That everyone will agree. Everyone used to say, हाँ Brian से stretching करते हैं तो डर लगता है डर. So that is true.
the first day of her stretching, when she was stretching, someone else and came and told her, Ruta, are you stretching with Ryan? Like, she's like, yeah. And she didn't knew anything about it.
Oh God, I remember yeah, everyone's reaction also. If not anything, they remember my screams, I think.
They really, everyone connected to you because you really were in pain, leaving me. The rest everybody connected to you.
in that whole
What?
2 so when we used to come back home, I think पूर्ण दिवसातून मॅक्झिमम टाइम आम्ही तुला भेटायचो त्या 2 महिन्यात. तर जेव्हा आम्ही परत घरी यायचो ना दोघंही, सो वी नेव्हर फेल दॅट ऍब्सेन्स ऑफ ऋता अराउंड यू अराउंड अस. कारण का आम्ही ना घरी येऊन पण आम्ही ऋताबद्दलच बोलायचो. आय थिंक तिचं ना थोडंसं आपल्याला हे केलं पाहिजे, ही एक्सरसाइज वाढली पाहिजे, हे डाएट चेंज केलं पाहिजे, देन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग अशी केली पाहिजे. आय थिंक वी नीड टू इन्क्रीज अवर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग. अशी आमची गप्पा असायच्या त्या टाइम स्पॅन मध्ये.
That's why he
सो
called me kid, I think.
या
Yes. So a lot of people, even our students have asked me, because I never name any student. I've never named any of the students. कभी भी कोई pet name, कोई name नहीं. So one of the student asked me कि sir आप kid first year किसको बुलाते हो? So I was up about to answer. So because it was he's noticed that it is always when you are around. Right? And then he why you call her kid? So Rita, why do I call you kid?
Yeah, I see. I have answered a lot of questions. You have to answer that now.
Okay. So this is the reason कि yes, I trained मैंने रुता को training करा and whatever. But I have learned from her. And what I learned from Ruta is when she was crying and when she was putting a lot of effort. I could see the girl is putting a lot of effort, getting up, coming in that pain, doing things again and again. And I started feeling very sad and getting upset with her. She actually taught me how to train her because she was, as I always said, her body अलग रहता है, हर इंसान अलग रहता है, हर किसी को डाइट अलग होता है. बट मैं उसी वे में उनको ट्रेन कर रहा था जब जो मैंने आज तक किया था. तो उन्होंने मुझे वो सिखाया कि उनको ट्रेन करना उस तरीके से पॉसिबल नहीं था. So I had to change myself, change my whole thinking of training as well as execution. So she taught me that, and lot of people know that she's not just a student or for me and Rima, it's nothing about a celebrity matters. She's been a very important part of our life, and as I say, as she says, we talk about you so much even today. So it's like my kid. So I have that ownership over her. That's why I call her my kid kind of a thing. I don't call her by name.
Just like a kid only. So whenever she comes back to gym, we always say, "Our kid is back."
Kid is back.
Yeah, oh God, I remember. Yeah, when I'd come from shoot, Ananya's shoot, I directly come to ward only from Pune. Yeah.
This is like temple first.
Yeah. Oh God.
God la land झाली.
That is one.
I hope I start training with you soon again.
Yeah, definitely. We hope की हा लॉकडाऊन आणि हे सगळं लवकर संपेल आणि आपण लवकर भेट. कामाला तर
Yeah.
कंटाळा घरी.
I know, यार. Oh God, it's too much now. सगळं प्रोडक्टिव्ह करून झालंय आता. बास झालं आता. असं झालंय.
सारे वीडियो बना के हो गए, कुकिंग हो गया, क्लीनिंग हो गया.
Yeah. Seriously. Let's hope that I'll see you soon. We all see each other soon.
Yes. Definitely. If you would like to say something to your fans, because बरीच लोक आहेत ती आली आहेत. I think we have just forgotten them. You should say something to them.
Ruta, we have trained in the past, in the present, a lot of celebrities, right? But trust me, there is a serious effort by your fan club page. Okay, that day also I was telling you, and I really appreciate all those efforts, all those fan club pages that are there and who take. So अभी जैसे हम लोग का live chat, these guys have actually posted on Insta stories and feeds and everything. So it's really good to see. They're not one or two. There are like 20 and 20 pages, and each page is very active.
Yeah, so it's a big thank you from our side.
What we see you all doing, really.
And also, if Ruta, तुला काही बोलायचं असेल,
yeah, I've always said this, that I've been extremely lucky when it comes to, you know, having followers, having fans, or the people who like my work, I would say. And because of them, I don't know, it feels that I'm very much responsible for the kind of work I do. Because one thing I don't like giving, or I don't want to see in others because of me, is disappointment. So I would never like if you guys are disappointed because of me, my parents are disappointed, or my fans are disappointed. So it is a pressure. It is a kind of pressure also, actually, because कधी कधी खूप difficult जातं choices करायला, because then sometimes you have to think about everyone. Sometimes, most of the times, you have to think about everyone, that if what if my audience will like it or no. So it involves a lot of and I would just say that I know every time it's not possible to reply each one of them, but I do see their efforts, and I've been very, very blessed, and they have given me like what do you say, support, love in every medium which I have performed. So I really hope that Ananya gets same kind of love and response, which I'm sure it will. So yeah.
Yeah. And 100%. Yes, definitely. And lastly, this is like a personal thing. What I want to tell you is, so my parents are also watching this live right now.
Okay.
आणि अगदी माझे मॉम डॅड तुला फुलपाखरू पासून खूप, for them they used to call you फुलपाखरू. Okay, so they really love you, and I think they today शकते अगदी उठून आणि इंस्टाग्राम माझ्या आईनी डाउनलोड करून
Oh
तिथं
God, that's so sweet.
लाईव्ह. So please, if you can give a small message to them, because I'm sure they are watching this. Mummy,
Oh
Daddy,
God, thank you. So I'll call them आई बाबा only. आई बाबा थँक यू. आणि ऍक्च्युली वॉर्ड मध्ये ट्रेन करत असताना मी खरंच त्यांना भेटले नाहीये ऍक्च्युली. आय थिंक आय शुड हॅव मेट देम या, बट कधी असं काही झालंच नाही. बट ह्याच्यानंतर मी नक्की भेटायला येईन अँड आय थिंक वी शुड ऑल पार्टी टुगेदर. सो थँक यू सो
yes,
मच अँड आय होप यू गाईज आर सेफ अँड I think वॉर्ड विल स्टार्ट सून अँड विल मीट सून. थँक यू.
yes, yes. Hope to see you soon. Now, stay safe.
या.
घरीच राहा, जाऊ नकोस. आणि कीप एक्सरसाइजिंग. आय होप तुझा पाय अजूनही टच होत असेल.
ओ येस, होतो माझा पाय अजूनही टच.
यो.
अजून आय थिंक हे थोडं मागे टाकायला तुम्हाला यायला लागेल बिकॉज ते थोडं एकदा इथे इथे गेला होता पाय आणि नंतर ते हे झालं होतं ना, स्ट्रेन आला होता. ओ गॉड, आय रिमेंबर. स्कॅरी, बट या अजून तरी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आहे.
So I'm sure परत आल्या की you will again make you more flexible.
या या
So
या डेफिनेटली.
good.
And what else? So
काय काय काय
I was like, now what else?
and what
It is
else?
so difficult to talk formally with you guys. Oh God. It is
तुझा
very
डिप्लोमा
difficult.
डिप्लोमेटिक चलेगा.
And
तुझा
so,
फेवरेट ट्री ना.
so Ruta, you can take his name. I completely
She-
know in your
she-
heart I am your favorite trainer. So
Nonsense.
you can take his name for
Rita-
the live chat.
Rita does not say it. The only reason is she knows she has to be at a win-win situation where she can take her name. That's why Rita
I
does
think
not say it.
no, I think I have to go now. Oh God. I have lots of work to do. Oh God, I have to go.
No, that question does not run away.
All right.
I'll run away. I'll run away. But no, you
Okay.
both are special, yeah. You both have a different. I love both of you.
Yeah.
Long due dinner is left. Oh God. Lot of things left in life.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll see you guys soon.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
लवकरच भेटू आपण.
Thank you
Okay.
everyone who's.
Yes. Thank you all the viewers who came today
Yep.
to listen to all our gupshup. But then, yeah, cool. Anything else?
Okay. No,
Bye-bye.
I'll go now.
परत. Okay?
Bye. Take care.
Bye. And yes, thank you so much everyone जे कोणी आले आमच्या लाईव्ह साठी. So we say a big thank you from
Yeah.
us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.